Je une musique, le temps de partager. Jem Harrison, I don't salute you. William Tacho, I don't salute you. Invite and share, my heroes. Invite and share, it don't bad. I am so sad, I am so down. Invite and share. Invite and share. I don't wear a black. William Tacho, I salute you, Papa. Please invite and share. Let us invite and share. Show some love so that I will get power to. Keep sharing, my people. I love una plenty. Keep sharing. Let us observe our national anthem. I am sharing it. That is why, please, keep sharing, my people. We get to talk. It's very important that you should share. Today is very important. The ambassador should share. It's very important. Una share may go far because today it don't bad. It don't so bad. I have a mixed feeling right now. I don't even know how to start. I am just so confused. Oh my God, it's not happening. Oh my God, it's not happening. Oh my God. Please invite and share. I get to tell una the truth and the fact. Oh my God. I got the information yesterday, but I did not believe. I did not believe that it can actually be that. Oh my God. If I knew, oh my God, if I knew it was true, I thought it was propaganda. Oh my God. No, it's not happening. Please invite and share. When I get to know, it's very important. Let us observe our national anthem and we start. Oh my God. Which kind of wickedness be this one? Which ambassador do for this wicked boy wey they call a pom? Which ambassador do for this wicked a pom? Oh God! La vidéo crash. Essaye d'ouvrir à ton niveau. Voir. Check your site. If the video is crashing. Check your site. If you see me clearly, the network okay, let me know. But before you check this, this is the whole on your site. It's okay. I'm seeing it as if it's crashing. Okay, we are going to start. Please keep sharing. Fellow Amazonians, my people, my e-hosts, keep sharing, please. Today is a serious matter. If you have never shared the Female Journal video today, you get to share this one. It's very urgent you share. It's very important you share, because when you share, you motivate me to tell the truth. I also motivate the people. The message go far to our people, because I am going to use their language and use Amazonian language. They get to understand that it don't link. Yes, it don't link. It don't link. We know who is behind that. We know. Jesus. Land of freedom, you shall live in plenty, meeting our needs. And your children shall be like the star above. The Most High God being the watchman of his nation. Fellow Amazonians, my people, I am coming to you with a very sad and mixed news. I am so down today because I got the information yesterday in a WhatsApp group where I don't infiltrate, because I have so many numbers where I use to infiltrate La République groups. Fellow Amazonians, when I get to understand that it's sad. It's so sad when they buy you over. It's so sad when you follow money than to follow your people. It's so sad. General Ayeke is no more. People that does not know General Ayeke. General Ayeke was the second of command of our Free Marshal. Who is Free Marshal? Free Marshal is the king of Lebi Alem, the father of Red Dragon. No be that Red Dragon where Congolese be don't talk say na him be the leader of Red Dragon. I'm talking about the Red Dragon of Lebi Alem. General Ayeke was with Free Marshal and they was working hand to hand until the day he was brought over by Epom and Matt Arata. He was brought over because La République and Matt Barata, yes, I said so, Matt Arata contact Epom and Matt Barata to convince Ayeke to kill Free Marshal. So his mission was to turn against Free Marshal and kill him. Because La République killed Free Marshal more than 20 times. They did not succeed. Upon all the things they do to kill our own Free Marshal, our own brother Free Marshal, they could not succeed. So they contacted Epom because Epom is already working with them. They contacted Epom and Matt Arata. This is the true story. This is not a sabotage. That is actually what is being said in the group of terrorists of La République. They contacted Epom and Matt Arata. So they turned Ayeke against Free Marshal. Ayeke tried to assassinate Freemasha and was kidnapped. But because Freemasha had a good heart, he decided to let Ayeke go. Ayeke went near Freemasha, created his own group under the leadership of La République du Cameroun terrorist B and Epom, aka Eric Tano, La République agent of Ambazonia. He was working hand to hand with La République terrorist B. They provided guns, military army guns, military B dresses, Kalashnikov, and all sorts of materials to help him eliminate Freemasha. There was a day, when I remember, Epom comes celebrating that Freemasha was arrested because they be piégé Freemasha, say they go meet with Freemasha, when Freemasha be accept. Unfortunate for them, Freemasha did not go. So he be celebrate say Freemasha will come today. That's why Epom rush come live and tell Ambazonia say Freemasha was arrested. Unfortunate for them, Freemasha did not go. So, upon all the attempt for collaboration to kill Freemasha, Ayeke used all strategy. He even go at the last, because that was the last energy, the last chance where La République give him with Epom, say if he did not succeed to deliver Freemasha, he is going down. So fellow Ambazonians, I was in La République group yesterday and they were discussing that, but he is not able to deliver. And this guy knows so much. It seems Ayeke was doing chantage. He wanted to sell Epom out. He wanted to tell Ambazonians the truth. Because he was telling them to give him some amount of money so that they should give him advance, because he don't born, he have a lot of responsibilities. They should give him some advance of the money. So if he contact Epom where they end up by quarreling, Epom be insult him. He tell Epom say, okay, you be insult me, Ayeke. I was with my brother Freemasha. We were working hand to hand to free Ambazonia. You come deceive me, put me inside trouble. Now I dey work against my people. Now you want living for Epom tell am say, wetin you want do, go do am. So when Epom be talk say wetin you want go do am, he be go tell the bees the location of Ayeke. He tell the bees the location of Ayeke. So there was inside that their group, because me as Masimi, so I am a woman of, they don't call me general, I say na only general. I want to come live every day because I dey work for back now. I need to know wetin dey happen. I need to know who be who for this revolution, because as a female general, it is very important. May I bring facts to my people. Fellow Ambazonians, na so Epom be go see B, because Epom na B. Epom dey work with B. Epom tell the B say if Ayeke is not neutralized, they go discover him, because Ayeke is actually blackmailing him. So Mike Arata Epom has a meeting. I will not call the third person where he was in that meeting, where they decide say Ayeke have to be neutralized. I was in that WhatsApp group where they talk say apparemment apparemment le général de Eric Tato. That's what they talk in that group. So I didn't know who the general Eric Tato until today. They talk say apparemment le général de Eric Tato est en train de nous faire le chantage. Il faut qu'on le neutralise. Il nous a donné sa localisation et tout. I be talk say, but me I no want border, because I know say Epom no get general. Na only Ambazonia get general. So for me, I don't take it serious. I don't really take it serious. So that was what was discussed in the group. C'est bon, actuellement, le général de Eric Tato est en train de nous faire le chantage. Il doit être neutralisé. Dès le torso, ils vont prendre l'action cette nuit. I don't think say Epom get. Actually, I did not know Epom have a fighters. So for me, I think I say Epom na only noise. So Epom does not have fighter. Until today, I have an answer. I have an answer because in that group where they come back, they say finalement mission accomplie. Il faut maintenant qu'on cherche à acheter un autre général. Mission accomplie. That means in that group say they don't accomplish the mission. Don't mean say they don't kill the general of Eric Tato. The general the Eric Tato be bayam. Fellow Amazonian, this is not sabotage. For those people think say I come here to play, no be play matter. I don't vex. I don't vex because I could not believe. I said, even when they tell me say he joined as a spy, I be believe, I be doubt. I be believe, I be doubt. But today I am convinced 100% that EPOM is La République. I am convinced 100%, my people. Amazonian, don't be flattening with somebody that come and show you flight. Don't be flattening with somebody that come and deceive you day by day. I am telling you that say now for they are group and they come out so. When I don't see finish, I come right here, see you in life. 5 p.m. because the shock is too much. And they come. They in that group say mission accomplie. Qui parle parler à l'enfer. Mais go talk for help. I be the do blackmail. Person wey we dey help am, he dey blackmail we. So EPOM now, it sure say the truth shall never go out because Ayeke has been neutralized. Una don't hear in their comment, they talk say Ayeke has been neutralized and some people run. Actually, yes, some people that run Nabi when they was working on with Ayeke under to overcover. Because they cannot kill a general where just some the boys go run. Before they will get to the general, the boys, they will kill the boys first. So they say one escaped by the grenade where he threw it. Is actually one of the bees that was working with Ayeke where the colleague leave him to run. It's just a stage. For people that don't understand what I am saying, for people that are saying that I'm saying that I'm talking rubbish, we not go understand when it's too late. We not go understand when it's too late. We not keep going to listen to somebody when they take us to La République. We not still go to listen to somebody when they take us to go sell us. When Ayeke was working with Free Marshal, what happened? Now EPOM vendor, alias aka Eric Tato, be a brother, become tell Free Marshal Ayeke say he get deal. Say if he give Free Marshal he head, they will give him plenty money. They will fly him abroad. They go change his life. He go bring him for America, sign asylum, ready. Fellow Amazonians, I am shocked. If I show you una the group, they go know say I dey inside, they go remove me. It dey on my phone. The group. If I show una live and call the name of that group, they go remove me today. Because the number where it dey there, na La République number. Where nobody get them. Where na one of my friend, where he be put me inside. Because he don't like wetin they do for Amazonians. Now if they put me inside that group, they say no ever talk. And I take one big picture, I put am for that as profile. I don't release all my secret. In that particular group, they talk say mission accomplished. I want Ambassador to ask EPOM, which deal did he have with Kanto? Because we all know Kanto is Paul Biya. Which deal did he have with Bass? I saw some Chechen who they call himself Echenu. Who be Echenu? Echenu they sit down and talk say, me and Eritato we are brothers because of him he give me this t-shirt. Who be Echenu? Who be Echenu? Echenu is a core of Ure. He's not even a member of Reti. Who be Echenu? Echenu is somebody that he don't already collect his own money. He dey bring confusion inside Bass up and down. So Echenu and EPOM are two agents. So for him to sit down, let him come and say, I am an Ambazonia. Because we have no deal with the Republicans. We are not fighting for regime change. If EPOM don't collect money for Kanto, because he don't collect. For collecting money for Kanto, the reason why he collect money, I'm not saying that he's working for Kanto. The reason why he collect money for Camto was to deceive Ambazonia to go and march for the 22nd of September. That was the reason EPOM collect money for Camto. People are saying EPOM is working with Camto. That is a thick lie. EPOM is working for La République. And the reason he collect money for Camto, him and Mark Barata, was because he tell those people, those fools, those Franco fools, when they don't get sardine, they don't get head, say, na him be the rock. He talk say, if na him be the leader of Ambazonians. EPO is EPOM a leader. EPOM tell La République say na him be the leader of Ambazonia. He collect money. Say, no worry. If I open add my voice, talk say me they go match, they go match. But we disgrace EPOM. We disgrace EPOM because no ambassador did not go match. That is to show EPOM that making noise on social media does not make you a leader. You are not an ambassador leader. Stop killing our fighters. I have a message for our fighters on the ground. Here is not a sabotage. Here is not a frame up. Here is not a lie. Eric Tato is compromised. All the fighters in contact with Eric Tato will not see what happened to Ayeke. Will not say, una day is number. Anybody associating with Eric Tato EPOM should not say your days is numbers. Anybody when you get contact say EPOM they sell $100, $200. This is blood money. We Ambazonians will contribute for the interim government. Forgive the fighters. EPOM the use now change to trap una. Any fighter where he never learn sense, where he see in contact for EPOM, may he change number. May he change number. Because inside that group, they talk say, comme les États-Unis veulent se mêler, il faut que on utilise Eric Tato pour neutraliser tout le reste. It means say US is showing interest. People don't show interest for this Ambazonia's cause. We get to use Eric Tato and Matt Barata to neutralize the remaining fighters. That is why they are calling for unity. That is why they are calling for unity. I will tell Ambazonians, the only unity we have and we need is to focus on La République. The only unity we need now is to focus on La République. Let any group focus on La République. There is no unity more than that. There is no unity more than that. So EPOM, you go deliver. You go deliver, but you will not use ambassador to deliver. General Ayeke listening to you. Today, I'm in black. I am crying. I am not crying because of General Ayeke is dead. I am crying for the good work where he be do when he was with General Free Marshal. I am crying for the good way he stand for his people before you buy him over. I am crying because Ayeke was a great general, was a great second in command. I love Ayeke as a second in command of Free Marshal. I love Ayeke as a boy that stand up and stand for his people and say, my people will not die, I'm going to fight for them. I'm crying because Ayeke take guns to fight La République until you EPOM come and deceive him and take him to La République from the same enemy where he fight against. I am crying because they use now our own to fight our own. I am crying because they use now our own to neutralize our own. I am crying because EPOM has finally killed General Ayeke. EPOM, clap for yourself. EPOM, clap for yourself. Clap for yourself. You have succeeded. Yes. You always say, I have fighters on the ground. Now me, General Ayeke, I say schools to go, so could they go? I don't understand. You actually have B on the ground. You are actually pushing their agenda. Who are enforcing school resumption in Amazonia is La République B. So I don't understand your language before. I don't understand. I be asking myself, so waiting to make this word make noise. I understand. You never mad, Epom. The blood of 8 million Ambazonia is on your head. Unless I am not a mother. I am a mother and I push 9 months. The blood of all our youth, Epom, you are easy to kill will go on your head. You shall never go free, Epom. I be your mother don't start. You go swimming pool and put out for your neck to go swim. You never start. You never start. You go waka naked for America, they go see you. You deceive Ayeke. You deceive Ayeke. You deceive for your personal interest. Today, you abandon him on the hood. You give him high out. You for Larobi to neutralize him. They are parading him. He comes as a trophy. All thanks to Epom Eric Tato. Una clap. Una go say the rock. Una go say the rock. Una go applaud. Una go encourage person may kill with fighters. Una go encourage and give him money. Una go encourage Epom the rock because he get mob like parrots. He talk without reason. Una go encourage him. Make nobody cry General Ike dead. Because now we Ambazonians, they support that terrorist. Now we Ambazonians, they support that La Republic colleague. Now we Ambazonians, they give that power to Epom. Now we Ambazonians give him that power. They go sit down. They tell Ambazonians say, they tell La Republic say he be leader in Ambazonia. Now we Ambazonians, person wey leave La Republic in 2017, enter America as a spy. Now we Ambazonians. I am so sad. I want to tell you when I say you don't link for the group. Epom don't finally give the General Ike for La Republique. We lost General Ike this night. All the bid that was with him, they say they run because he was actually working with B in the Giz. There was after General Freemasha. There was after Freemasha. So they see that he could not deliver. And he was asking so much money to leave because he himself, he realized his life was in danger. He was raping our women, doing bad things. Because the Odeshi they give to him was to do bad things. You know, say those Ibiya occultic Odeshi and to do bad things. When you get that Odeshi, you know they do good things again. So he joined occultic group, La Republique, to fight against people. He they rape girls, they do a lot of things. If you get more than 3 girls, you don't pregnant even one. So it's so sad that he come out from grace to grave. So we are so sad. We applaud you as a general, as a second of command of Freemasha before you become General Ayeke. We applaud you for standing for your people at the first place. We applaud you. We just for that, we want to say, may your soul rest in perfect peace. You fight a good fight until your own brother deceive you, until your own brother come and deceive you to turn against your people for money and change. Money and power against your people. That is what you reap today. We are so sad as an Ambazonians. We are crying because no matter what, you were our brother, you were our fighter. We loved you. We didn't want you to end like this. We wanted you to repent and go back to and fight with your people. Unfortunately, the last chance they give you was on the 1st October to deliver Freemasha. They thought Freemasha would do a video, come out, so you can locate him and kill him. But he did not, because he have an information also that was una plan. So he could not go out, and they realize you will become useless. They realize you are not useful. You now ask them to fulfill at least what they promised you because your life was in danger. They deny. You also ask them to at least make you out of the country. They deny, and you threaten them that you go uncover them. They have no option than to neutralize you. So rest in peace, fighter. Rest in peace, Ayeke. Rest in peace. For all those fighters on the ground, please, this is not a sabotage. My heart is crying as a mother. I am in La Republique group. If I'm inside, I show una, they will not say I did there. When I see this video, when I get to understand what I talk, when I see this video, and let me know. When I see this video,
Comme vous le voyez, c'est le général Ayeke qui a été traité ce matin dans la localité de Bissali. Il s'était réfugié avec un certain nombre de ses combattants. La traque a commencé depuis un certain jour, très tôt ce matin, donc comme on disait, on a pu le neutraliser. On a également libéré...
When I see the face of this particular army, when I see the face of this particular, when I go back to Amigo when he died, when I go back to General Ivo when he died, and this particular face, this man just lost a colleague. This man just lost a collaborator. This man just lost somebody that was collaborating with him. They are not jubilating. They are sad in the video. People think that it's sabotage. No. See, in this video, the man is sad. You see? He's down because they just lost a colleague. They just lost a collaborator. They just lost somebody that was able to buy over to fight his own people. When I see the face, when I see this one too.
All I can say is that, first of all, I'm very, very happy.
See, person very happy.
Many people have suffered.
Person when he say happy. When I see the face of somebody when he say very, very happy. When you are very, very happy, the way you dey talk, your face show all. They are lost a collaborator. They are lost a colleague. General Ayeke died as a colleague to B. General Ayeke died as a colleague to the B. He died as a collaborator under the leadership of Epom and Mark Barata. General Ayeke didn't die an Ambazonia. General Ayeke didn't die for Ambazonia. General Ayeke died for his own personal interest. He did not die as a fighter. I said so. I endorse everything I say. Why I am saying that? Because I was in the group yesterday, no be today, when they talk about it. See, person very angry.
First of all, I'm very, very happy because many people have suffered.
Person very, very happy. When I see his face, this kind person very, very happy. When I see another colleague.
Oui, comme vous le voyez, c'est le général Ayeke qui a été neutralisé très tôt ce matin dans la localité de Bissali. Il s'était réfugié avec...
When la République de kill with general, they jubilate. When I see in this particular video, say they are very sad. They are remorseful. They are very remorseful because they just lost a collaborator. They just lost somebody where he helped them a lot against the people. They just lost a colleague. So as it happened now, as a female general, I want to tell Ambazonians, do not cry General Ayeke dead. Because General Ayeke died as a collaborator to La République. And they use him and they dump him. They use him and they dump it. So I want to tell Ambazonians, say, I am sad, I am angry, I have a mixed feeling because now our own they used to deceive Ayeke. Now our own they used to bring Ayeke for La République calm. Now our own they used to neutralize him. Papa, you cause havoc to our people. You say you must kill na Free Marshal because Free Marshal was your enemy. You say na Ambazonia you want come kill na no be La République again because they be deceive you. The same people you fight for, the same people you stand with, they don't kill you. That is to tell all the fighters when they are still under the leadership of EPOM, working in collaboration with EPOM to kill Ambazonia in general. Say when they use una, dumb una, na so una go end. For all those people who never join their LGA, join your county LGA and focus on the revolution. Avoid distraction, avoid La République spy, and remain focused. Our Secretary Chris Anu have come to stay. No matter how sabotage una go do, he have come to stay. Una will remove all the lies. Una will remove all the propaganda. He don't come to stay. I want to tell una say, our Excellency Dr. Sako is our president. Una one collaboration na good thing. Una join una LGA. That is the only collaboration where I fit talk. All the rest, you know, concern me. Una one collaborate is a good thing. Yes, collaboration is good thing. Because if na to collaborate to end la Republic, na mean say we don't know wetin we want. So una one collaborate is a good thing, but please una join una LGA, okay? Let me call this guy. He want talk with himself. Yes. I want to piéger somebody. Now, hold on. I want to piéger somebody. No, Epom. Which kind wickedness is this? Which kind wickedness is this, Papa? Why you wicked so? Huh? Why you wicked so? You're trying to America and you are here killing our people. Hello? You are live. May I put you live, eh? You get something to talk, right? You don't bat. Huh? Yes. Volume is up. Talk to your people.
My country people, followers of Mama General, the pure, the right, the General from Amazonia, our borrowed child, the adopted daughter, Mumu County. Thank you for this show. We don't always talk say, April. They talk daily about Chris Anno, about Dr. Sako. He no get no other thing for talk. But he plan as a give the agenda now for destroy, for dismantle, for tear the legitimate IG of the people. When I see, General don't always tell when I say, any man way they follow Eric Tato, they follow na doom. Eric the witch doctor. It take you, paint you, make you feel like say you be legitimate, like say you be super human, like nothing ever touch you. Then he will leave you. When I see what's up for Yekena, all those yeye people they support Eric. We Eric don't get nothing for give una, but he get that can coach woman, coach activists, them, coach people to do the right thing. Say make we this revolution come to an end. Make we get to the place we're supposed to be. It come every day. He say get work, but the Facebook every day they make live video. All this against about Dr. Sako, against about Dr. Sako, but every day nothing really change. Dr. Sako city. Dr. Sako city. So he plan now for from distract now for waiting will be actually correct. I see they talk every day, so it distract now. And why Eric be popular? And I say from the start we look at it as a joke. We don't leave it on lie, and a lie don't being a part of the routine where you don't make on a believe all your lies. We'll take example for Donald Trump. When you lie like Donald Trump, consistently people they tend to believe your lie. And the mistake that said they never debunk, they never tell Eric say all that thing we be talking before a lie. He had enough of more to understand say it a lie. It used that lie for living life. It used the lies and in money when the lies say ask for the money for live life in America. That way they get Telegram or they go CEO of Dansha Telegram. Dansha Telegram not nothing. You need to get money free. It force V. It will take V live camera. Just imagine if America put it busy, you go for rally, Dr. Donald Trump for hospital, and go take live video. You're present at the Donald Trump at the rally. That one I might get job. Why that one concern Amazonia, the Donald Trump a COVID-19 thing where and go take video, say Donald Trump make a right to say hello. How it concern this revolution? He don't talk, say he proud to make me school back. School is a nice thing, education a good thing. We all want to begin to go back for school. All man want to be educated. And without education, Amazonia is no place. But the purpose, the reason why they don't want to make school go, because they don't want to make La Republic think say everything be okay, or the foreign government thinks say it's good to resume, everything be okay. So he planned to destroy what we don't work for the past years. For make sure everything be okay, they made it because they don't pay. He must give back what he don't chop. It's just like Adam be chop apple, we don't know what your apple be. He find himself naked. And he stands on a physical clothes, he be naked. He could do all kind of mafia every day. He never sleep. He must can't talk about the Saku. Any fake news, anything you get away for talk like lies, he will talk. He don't fool Ayeke General. Say, do this, will pay the amount of money. Go against Field Marshal. Field Marshal and God given begin. It is a sing gospel song now. That spirit and a Holy Spirit. Ayeke na bad spirit. Evil spirit they last. It act for a short period. Then you lost like fire. Then like wildfire where they lost. That's how it could drop. Oh, now they support you. Now $1. If discussion, I'm gonna contribute for the draft. I'm gonna contribute for you. For daft. Daft now with you.
Yeah, we hear you.
Yes. This is your program. You know, you be the real general for the people. You know, before, you need to be general because you before IG. IG, fuck up. You fuck them up too. You talk wait to be right and now wait to 1 year that for the revolution. One activist will make the revolution go ahead. Yes. So any man will listen to Eric, give the secret for Eric Tato. You could follow Ayeke. Ayeke be start like, you know what I come on dance about hot you did come out. You can walk away dance about the hot. Maybe here you do. You work at the treating field marshal. Ayeke now for treating field marshal. Field marshal are ordained field marshal by the people. See these people that spirit do field marshal. Ayeke na lose spirit when a bad spirit of Eric Tato be caught the ordained. Look what it happened. He never produce.
I beg una call me a pomme. Me leave our general alone. Epom don't kill Ayeke. Epom don't kill Ayeke. Una come, don't bat.
So I want to tell Ambassador for my last word I say. Eric will lie on for 100 days, 100 years, but one day they lie them will be deleted. One day. Each person where you call him for supporter. If you call your name, he bring you for a show, you talk for say with some person. Eric and nobody. You go wear hot military jacket for a palo, you go change place them, change house and borrow back background and make images. But you know if you compare with the other guy, Nacho, on a Nacho, where you make great TV, give on a video clips, give on a report. Eric you can talk about Sako, talk about Chris Arnold, Logbo, this and that, this and that, all the revolution and cultural revolution. You don't hear talk say, no, we do so. When you talk one thing, say, okay, now we're going to fight this problem, I give money. Then you go shout Sako, He use Sako name for raising money. He use Sako name for be famous. Now Sako they make Eric the shine.
Ayeke is killed by a bomb. Every time they don't kill Ayeke, brother. I think inside WhatsApp group yesterday. No be saying that they lie at the top. Then the talk say, this particular EPOM, c'est Eritato. Le général de Eritato est en train de faire le chantage à Eritato. Il faut qu'on le neutralise. I don't know c'est Ayeke. I don't know c'est Ayeke de the talk, my brother. I don't know c'est Ayeke de the talk. Hey, EPOM, vous n'avez pas mis EPOM don't kill Ayeke. Why, Jesus? Which kind of wickedness be this one, eh, God? My brother, I talk, he don't pass my level. He don't pass me. He don't pass me. He don't pass me.
Just continue your talk. Just advise all other generals say, any man will listen to April on his own detriment, my own doom, my own graveyard. I can be the first one I could die because I will get the next target. But you don't ever see with Field Marshal. He could do all thing. If Field Marshal die, that God take him. Don't mean that Eric Tato. Eric Tato is a small fly.
Thank you so much. God bless you, my brother. Okay. Thank you so much. I appreciate. Thank you so much. Huh?
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Thank you, papa. Ayeke. So when Israël groupe c'est donc le général est en train de lui faire le chantage. Il faut qu'on le neutralise. On a tout arrangé sur place. Cette nuit, on va faire l'action. Non, c'est na Ayeke. No say they talk about Ayeke. So Ayeke was EPOM general. So Ayeke was working with EPOM. He never mentioned that to Ambazonians. Ambazonians, una get to remain focused, una get to pray for our interim government, una get to pray for our fighters. Their faces is out there. EPOM and La République will stop and nothing than to neutralize them. But the God of Ambazonia will protect them. Avoid woman. Stay away of woman. Avoid friends. At war, there is no friend. They will use your best friend to trap you. Avoid diasporans. Avoid videos. We don't need any video again. We don't need any proof again. We now remain focused and fight for Ground Zero. We now stay away of social media. We now focus. Because they don't talk in that their group say, America don't talk say, don't put their mouth in our matter. People don't show interest in our matter. They get to use heritage popularity to neutralize the remaining fighters. We now stay away of EPOM. We now stay away of La République. This was the female general. For those that never joined their county, join your county LGA and fund the draft. Not be say we dey here for fight. We not dey here to sabotage nobody. We are here to take La République out of our territory. We are here to take La République. Say no, never again in Ambazonia. Ambazonia is a free land. We are here to tell La République, no matter how many black legs, no matter how 100 EPOM you buy, Ambazonia must be free. We are here to tell La République that Ayeke turned his back on his people and they lost a colleague, not an Ambazonia fighters. EPOM, well done, sir. In fact, well done, sir. In fact, congratulations. In fact, job well done. But know that the blood of all the people, when they don't die on top of your head, will never go in vain. Rest in hell, General Ayeke, and rest in peace, the second of command of Free Marshal. I love una plenty. This was the female general of Ambazonia. Until we see again, bye for now.